Hello dear children, welcome to relations and functions. In the last class we have learned definition of function, finding its domain, range, and also we have learned shortcut method to find whether the given curve is function or not. In the today's class we learn about types of functions depends upon the mapping of the function. Let's start the today's class with types of functions. So I have told you already we are learning types of functions depends upon mapping. Types of functions. So in this the first function will come one function, or we can call it as injective function. So first function we are going to learn as one function, or we can call it as injective function, one function or injective function. So when the function is said to be one function or injective function, a function f is a function from set A to set B. A function f from A to B is said to be a function f from A to B is said to be one function or injective, one function, or you can call it as injective, one function or injective if all the elements of set A, all the elements of set A has different images. All the elements of set A has different images in set B. So this type of function is called one function. Otherwise this function is called many one function. A function f from A to B is said to be one function or injective function if all the elements of the set A has different images in set B. Okay, so you know already the definition of function. What is definition of function? All the elements of the set A has one and only one image in the set B. So that time all the elements can have same image in the set B. But here all the elements of set A should have different images in set B. Okay, so or else if it is not one that time we can call that function as many one. Okay, so otherwise function is called many one function. Okay, if it is not one then it is called many one function. Now we'll take examples. Depends upon that you can understand what is one function. So I'll take now example. I'll take now function from set A to set B. Okay, so here set A is having elements 1, 2, 3, 4, and set B, this is having elements A, B, C, D, E and F. Now f is a function from set A to set B. Here the elements are connected like this. 1 is related to A and 2 is related to B, 3 is related to C and 4 is related to D. So this is a function, and now we'll think, is it one function or not? So what is the definition of one function? All the elements of set A has different images in B. Okay, so now we'll think 1 is having image A, right? 1 is having image A and 2 is having image B, 3 is having image C, 4 is having image D. So all the elements of the set A are having different images, right? So 1 and 2 are not having same image. Okay, all the elements are not having same image, but all the elements are having different image. So this type of function is called one function. Means for one element there should be different image. 1 is having image A, 2 is having image B, 3 is having image C and 4 is having image D. Therefore, this function is called 1 1 function because all the elements of the set A are having different images in set B. Therefore, this is 1 1. This is 1 1 function, right? So this is 1 1 function. Now I'll take another example. Now we'll think that function is 1 1 function or not. So I will take the set A is having elements 1 2 3 4 and set B which is having elements A B C D E and F. Okay, so now 1 is related to B and 2 is also related to B, 3 is related to C, 4 is related to D. This is a function from set A to set B. And now see, we'll think now this function is 1 1 function or not. And now think 1 is having image B, 2 is also having image B. So is it 1 1 function? Is it 1 1 function? No, it is not 1 1 function because 1 and 2 are having same image. But according to the definition of 1 1 function, all the elements of the set A should have different image in B. They should have different image. 1 should have different image, 2 should have different image. ಇಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸಿಗೂ ಸೆಟ್ ಎ ಒಳಗಿರುವಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸಿಗೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಇಮೇಜ್ನ ಇರಬೇಕು ಸೆಟ್ ಬಿ ಒಳಗೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಮತ್ತು 2 1 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ 2 ಆರ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇಮೇಜ್. 1 ಮತ್ತು 2 ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ ಸೇಮ್ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಬಂತು. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎ 1 1 ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ f of 1 is equals to f of 2, right? f of 1 is equals to f of 2, but 1 equal to 2 is 1 equal to 2? No, 1 is not equals to 2. f of 1 is B, f of 2 is B. All the elements of set A should have different image in set B. So therefore, this is not a 1 1 function. So this is not 1 1 function. I told if the function is not 1 1, that time this function is called many 1. If it is not 1 1 function 1 1 illa andre adike innond hesru ಏನು ಕರಿಬಹುದು ನಾವು many 1, right? So many elements are connected to one element. So this is called many 1. Many elements are connected to only one element. So if I am teaching online, okay, so ನಾ ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಥ್ರೂ ಕಲ್ಸಾತೀನಿ. ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಒಳಗೆ ನಂದು ಲೆಸನ್ ಕೇಳಾಕತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ 1 to 1. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ನಾನು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಟೀಚರ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ 1 1 ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. ಇಫ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೀಚಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ರೂಮ್, ನಾ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ರೂಮ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಕಲ್ಸಾತಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ನನ್ನ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತೀರಿ. ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಮೆನಿ 1 ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಮೀ, ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಈಸ್ many 1 function. So all the elements are connected to any one element. So that time the function is called many 1, or you can say not 1 1. So this is many 1 function. Not 1 1 means it is many 1 function. So now I'll take another example. Set A is having elements 1 2 3 4 and set B is having elements A B C. 1 is related element A, 2 is related to element A, 3 is related to B and 4 is related to C, and this is a function from set A to set B. Now we'll think this function is 1 1 function or not. 1 is having image A, 2 is having image A, 3 is having image B and 4 is having image C, right? So here we have to think all the elements of A are having different images or not. So now see here 1 ಮತ್ತು 2 ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ ಸೇಮ್ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಅವ, ರೈಟ್? ಇಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸಿಗೂ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಇಮೇಜ್ನ ಇರಬೇಕು, ರೈಟ್? ಆಲ್ ದ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಶುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಇಮೇಜಸ್, ಎಲ್ಲ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಇಮೇಜ್ನೆಸ್ನ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ನೋಡ್ರಿ 1 ಮತ್ತು 2ಕ್ಕೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಅದ. 1 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ 2 ಆರ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇಮೇಜಸ್. ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ 1 1 ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ f of 1 equal to f of 2 other, right? Images are same but pre-images are not equal. Images are equal, pre-images are not equal. So therefore this is not 1 1 function, right? ಆಲ್ ದ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸಿಗೂ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಸೇಮ್ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಇದ್ರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸಿಗೂ ಸೇಮ್ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಮೆನಿ 1 ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಮೆನಿ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಹಿಂಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಹಿಂಗಿದ್ರೆ 1 1 ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೆನಿ 1 ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ 1 1. Many elements are connected to single elements. This is many one function. Means this is not 1 1. Not 1 1. Its meaning is what here? Many one function. This is many one function. Right? So now I'll take another example. So you can understand clearly what is 1 1 function. So now f is a function from set A to set B. A is having elements 1, 2, 3, 4. A, B, C, D. B is having elements A, B, C, D. Now 1 is connected to B. 2 is connected to C. 3 is connected to A and 4 is connected to D, and this is a function from set A to set B. You know this is a function from set A to set B, and I will think, is it 1 1 function or not? So this is obviously 1 1 function because all the elements of the set A are having different images in the set B. Now think, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, 1 is having image B, 2 is having image C, 3 is having image A and 4 is having image D. So therefore all the elements of the set A are having different images in the set B. All the elements of the domain are having different images in the codomain. Hangunu karibod now, right? So this is also definition of 1 1 function. All the elements of the domain should have different images in the codomain. All the elements of the domain are having different images in the codomain. Therefore this is 1 1 function. Hope you are all getting this one. What is 1 1 function? All the elements of the set A are having different images. All the elements of the set A should have different images in the set B, or all the elements of the domain are having different images in the codomain. Different images in the codomain. That time the function is said to be 1 1 function. So we have to express this one mathematically. So how to express this 1 1 function in mathematically? We'll see now. Mathematically we can write the definition of 1 1 function as mathematically, if let I'll take x1 x2 be the two elements of the domain, right? So if f is a function from set A to set B is said to be 1 1 if all the elements of the set A should have different images in the set B. So in mathematically we can write, let x1 x2 belongs to the set A, right? So I'll take now two elements that are belongs to the domain. Let x1 x2 belongs to the set A if x1 is not equal to x2 is not equals to x2, then f of x1 is also not equals to f of x2. Two pre-images are not equal, then their images also not equal. It's meaning different elements should have different images in codomain. Okay, so one is the image A, 2 the image B. Okay, so if 1 is not equal to 2, therefore f of 1 is not equal to f of 2. Here 1 is not equals to 2, ille nodri, 1 is not equals to 2, therefore f of 1 is not equal to f of 2. So this is 1 1 function. Okay, so x1 is not equals to x2, f of x1 is not equals to f of x2. So if we written contrapositive statement of this one, okay, so if we have taken contrapositive statement of equation 1, x1 is not equals to x2 implies f of x1 is not equals to f of x2. Call this equation number 1. Taking contrapositive of equation 1, we are getting f of x1 is equal to f of x2. This implies x1 is equals to x2. x1 x2 belongs to set A. f of x1 equal to f of x2. This implies x1 is equals to x2. Okay, so mathematically now hinge prove ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, f of x1 is equals to f of x2 ತಗೋಬೇಕು. If they have given the function is defined from infinite set to infinite set, that time we have to show mathematically instead of taking arrow diagram and all, that time we have to show f of x1 is equals to f of x2 and then we have to show x1 is equals to x2. That time we can say the function is 1 1 function. So now idr mele examples tagontini, that time you can understand how we have proved mathematically the 1 1 function. Hope you are all getting this one. 1 1 function means different elements in the domain should have different images in the codomain. So that time the function is called 1-1. There should be 1-1 connectivity. Okay, now we'll learn shortcut method, that is graphical method, to find whether the given curve is 1-1 function or not. So now we'll learn shortcut method to find, that is what shortcut method is, what here, graphical method. So to find whether the function is 1-1 function or not. Okay, so graphical method use ಮಾಡಿ ನಾವು 1-1 ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಐತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. So with the help of graphical method we have done already. By taking the vertical line test we have proved whether the given curve is function or not. So now we'll take horizontal line test to find whether the given curve is 1-1 function or not. Horizontal line test. Okay, so with the help of horizontal line test we can think the given curve is 1-1 function or not. So first I'll take y is equals to x square, that is u graph y is equals to x square. So now I'll take y is equals to x square. You know already y is equals to x square is function. By taking vertical line test you can think that if the vertical line cuts the given curve at only one point, that time the function is, the given curve is function. Now we'll take horizontal line test. So horizontal line test modunu, by with the help of horizontal test we can understand whether it is 1-1 function or not. So for the given curve draw horizontal line. For the given curve draw the horizontal line. If the horizontal line intersects the graph more than one point, intersect the given curve more than one point, that time the given curve is not 1-1 function. Hope you are all getting this one. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ y is equals to x square ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಅದ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು horizontal line ತೆಗಿಯೋಣ. if the horizontal line, ಇದು horizontal line more than one point ಒಳಗೆ intersect ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು 1-1 function ಅಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ನಾ horizontal line ತೆಗಿತೀನಿ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ. ಸೊ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ horizontal line ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಾಕತ್ತೈತಿ. ಸೊ this is not 1-1 function, not 1-1. Getting it all of you? Not 1-1 means if it is not 1-1 it is called many-one function, right? Horizontal line test ಮಾಡ್ರಿ means ನೋಡ್ರಿ y is equals to x square ಅದ, y is equals to x square is there, put x is equals to 1, x is equals to 1 substitute ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, we are getting y as 1. if x is minus 1, x minus 1 ತಗೋರಿ, y ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತಾ, that time also it is comes plus 1, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟಿಗೆ. so right, for 1 and minus 1 we are having same image, two elements are connected to only one element, so therefore this is not, many elements are connected to single element, therefore this is not 1-1, this is many-one function. Hope you are all getting this one. if you substitute 2 also, x equal to 2 ಹಾಕ್ರಿ y 4 ಬರುತ್ತಾ, x equal to minus 2 ಹಾಕ್ರಿ y plus 4 ಬರುತ್ತಾ, right? so that time also x equal to 2 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು 4, right? minus 2 ಹಾಕ್ರಿ, that time also this is plus 4. so therefore many elements are connected to single element, many elements are having same image, therefore this is not 1-1, therefore this is many-one function. okay, so this is not injective function, right? therefore this is many-one function. Hope you are all getting this one. Take another function. so depends on that we'll learn whether the given function, given curve is function or not. so I'll take the graph y is equals to x cube. so therefore this is function, already you know. now draw horizontal line for the given curve. so horizontal line tagiri, elli tagiri horizontal line. okay, so horizontal line cuts the given graph at only one point. nodri, horizontal line is intersecting the graph at only one point, therefore this is 1-1 function. Hope you are all getting this one. means different, all the elements of the domain are having different images in the codomain, therefore this is 1-1 function. so now I'll take another function, that is rational function, y is equals to 1/x, right? this is the graph of y is equals to 1/x. so now we'll draw horizontal line for this. horizontal line ತೆಗಿರಿ, wherever you want you can draw horizontal line for this. so ನೋಡ್ರಿ horizontal line intersects the graph at only one point, therefore this is also a 1-1 function. ಸೊ ಹಾರಿಜಾಂಟಲ್ ಲೈನ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ 1-1 ಐತಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ವರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಲೈನ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ದ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್, ದ ಗಿವನ್ ಕರ್ವ್ ಇಸ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಐತೋ ಇಲ್ಲೋ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. ಐ ಟೇಕ್ ಅನದರ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ y is equals to mod x, modulus function ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, right? So modulus function I will take, this is the modulus function, and draw horizontal line for the given graph. Horizontal line, nodri horizontal line, it's intersects the graph at more than one point, therefore this is also not 1 1, right? It is also not 1 1. If it is not 1 1 means it is many one function. Here nodri function ಏನದ y is equals to mod x, right? So if you substitute x 1 hakri, y you are getting 1, okay? So if you substitute x as minus 1, we are getting again y is 1, right? So many elements are connected to the same image. Many elements are connected to one element, right? So therefore this is many one function. X equal to 2 hakri, 2 we are getting y as 2, x equal to minus 2 also, y equal to plus 2, okay? So 2 and minus 2 are having same image, 3 and minus 3 are also having same image, 4 and minus 4 are also having same image. So therefore many elements are connected to the same element, therefore this is not 1 1 function, this is many one function. Hope you are all understanding this one, and I will take now next type of function. The second type of function is onto function. Onto function or surjective function. Onto function, or you can call it as surjective function. So when the function is said to be onto function, a function f from a function f from a function f from set A to set B, set A to set B is said to be onto function, is said to be onto function or surjective, is said to be onto function or surjective, is said to be onto function or surjective if every element of B, if every element of set B is the image of, every element of B is the image of, every element of B is the image of some element of set A, some element of set A. So nodri what is onto function? A function f from A to B is said to be onto or surjective. Innond name nodri idu onto or surjective function if every element of B is the image of some element of set A, or you can call like this also, B ಒಳಗಿರುವಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸಿಗೂ ಪ್ರೀ ಇಮೇಜಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. B ಒಳಗಿರುವಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸಿಗೂ ಸೆಟ್ A ಒಳಗ ಪ್ರೀ ಇಮೇಜಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಬಿ ಒಳಗಿರುವಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸು ಎ ಒಳಗಿರುವಂಥ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ದ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕವು. ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ದ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಆನ್ ಟು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋನು ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಆನ್ ಟು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. So I'll take the function from set A to set B. Now set A to set B I'll take. So A is having 1 2 3 4 and B is having elements A, B, C, D, and I'll take a function from set A to set B. 1 is connected to A, 2 connected to B, 3 connected to C and 4 connected to D. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ B ಒಳಗಿರುವಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸು ಇಮೇಜ್ ಅದಾವು. B ಒಳಗಿರುವಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸು A ಒಳಗಿರುವಂಥ ಯಾವುದರ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಅದಾವ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಸೊ A is image of 1, correct? A is image of 1, B is also image of 2, C is also image of 3 and D is also image of 4, right? So ಇಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸು A ಒಳಗಿರುವಂಥ ಯಾವುದೋ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ದ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸಿಗೂ ಪ್ರೀ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರಷ್ಟೇ ಇದು ಆನ್ ಟು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್, ಆರ್ ಎಲ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಇನ್ ಟು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಇದು ಆನ್ ಟು ಹೌದಿಲ್ಲ, ರೈಟ್? ಆಲ್ ದ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ B ಆರ್ ದಿ ಇಮೇಜಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಮ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ A. ಇಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸಿಗೂ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಪ್ರೀ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ಯಾವ, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಆರ್ ಎಲ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕಾಲ್, ಇಲ್ಲೇ ನೋಡ್ರಿ What is the range of this function? Range of this function is a, b, c, d, right? So what is the codomain of this function? Codomain of this function is also set having element a, b, c, d, or else in generally, or we can call ಇನ್ನೊಂದು definition ಏನು ನೋಡ್ರಿ, or range is equals to codomain ಇರಬೇಕು. range is equal to what here? Codomain. range equal to codomain ಇದ್ರ ಆ function ಏನು onto function ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ, right? So range is equals to codomain here? Yes, right. So range is equals to codomain. Range is equals to codomain. So that time the function is called as onto function. So this is onto function. Got it? Onto function ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು into function ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, right? So now we'll take another example. Set A is having elements 1, 2, 3, 4 and set B, this is having elements A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, so now I'll consider a function from set A to set B. 1 is related to A, 2 is related to B, 3 is related to C and 4 is related to D. So ಇಲ್ಲೇ ನೋಡೋಣ, ಇದು onto function ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? ನೋ, onto function ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, E ಮತ್ತು F ಕ ಪ್ರೀ ಇಮೇಜಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಇ ಮತ್ತು ಎಫ್ ಯಾವುದೋ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇಮೇಜಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅವು ಇವಕ್ಕೆರಡಕ್ಕೂ ಫ್ರೀ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಇ ಮತ್ತು ಎಫ್ ಯಾವುದೋ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಎ ಒಳಗಿರುವಂಥ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅವು ಇಮೇಜಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಆನ್ ಟು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ರೇಂಜ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಕೋಡೊಮೇನ್. ಕೋಡೊಮೇನ್ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಎ, ಬಿ, ಸಿ, ಡಿ, ಇ, ಎಫ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ರೇಂಜ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್? ರೇಂಜ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ, ಬಿ, ಸಿ, ಡಿ. ರೇಂಜ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಕೋಡೊಮೇನ್. ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ ದಿಸ್ is not on to. Okay, so range is not equal to codomain. This is not on to. Not on to means this is not on to. Not on to means we can call it as a into function. Into. Not on to is into function. We can call it as into function. So I'll take another example. I'll take another function from set A to set B. So nodri ille set A olaga elements nodri 1, 2, 3, 4 and set B is having elements A, B, C and 1 is related to A, 2 is also related to A, 3 related to C and 4 related to C. And now we'll think, is it onto function? ಸೊ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲೇ ರೇಂಜ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು ಕೋಡೊಮೇನ್ ಐತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಬಿ ಒಳಗಿರುವಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸಿಗೂ ಪ್ರೀ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಐತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಆರ್ ಬಿ ಒಳಗಿರುವಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸು ಎ ಒಳಗಿರುವಂತಹ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ದು ಇಮೇಜ್ ಐತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ಕೊರಿ. ಎ ಈಸ್ image of 1 and 2 also and B is image of 3, C is image of 4. ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸು ಉಳ್ಕೋಬಾರ್ದು, ರೈಟ್? ಬಿ ಒಳಗಿರುವಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸು ಎ ಒಳಗಿರುವಂಥ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಜೊತೆ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು ಅದು, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಆನ್ ಟು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಥಿಂಕ್, ಈಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಆನ್ ಟು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್? ಎಸ್, ಆಬ್ವಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಆನ್ ಟು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ರೇಂಜ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು codomain. Range is equals to what here? Codomain. Therefore this is what here? Onto function. This is onto function. Is it clear? So now I'll take another example from set A to set B. I'll take another function from set A to set B. Now set A is having element 1, 2, 3, 4 and set B is having element A, B, C, D, E and F. Now 1 is connected to B, 2 is also connected to B, 3 is connected to C and 4 is also connected to D. Now think, is it onto function? No, it's not onto function because nodri ille B ಒಳಗಿರುವಂತ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ A, E, F ಇವಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರೀ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, ರೈಟ್? These are not the images of any element of the set A. These elements are not having any pre images, right? So range is not equals to codomain, right? So range is not equal to codomain, or you can call range is subset of codomain antu helidru naditada. Range is subset of codomain or range is not equal to codomain. Therefore this is not onto. If it is not onto, you can call it as into function, right? Hope you are all understanding this one. Or this one, this is the definition, or you can call shortly range is equals to codomain idra adu onto. Range is not equal to codomain, that time we can call it as a into function. Okay, this another meaning also we can write like this, that is, if a function f from A to B is said to be onto or surjective function if every element of B is the image of some element of the set A. That is we can write ಫಾರ್ y ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು ದಿ ಸೆಟ್ ಬಿ. y ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟು ಬಿ ಒಳಗದ, ರೈಟ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಒಳಗದ. ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟು ಬಿ ಒಳಗದ. ಫಾರ್ y ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ದೇರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಎ. ದೇರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಎ. ಇಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ಇಮೇಜಿಗೆ ಪ್ರೀ ಇಮೇಜು ಡೊಮೇನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಇಮೇಜ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಕೋಡೊಮೇನ್, there is a, for image belongs to the codomain, there exists pre-image in the set A, pre-image in the set A such that f of x is equals to y, such that f of x is equals to y. ಇದರ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, such that f of x is equals to y. This meaning you see, for y belongs to the set b, b ಒಳಗಿರುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟಿಗೆ there should exist pre-image, there should exist pre-image. That pre-image I'll take x in the set A such that f of x is equals to y. ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, a belongs to the set b, right, a belongs to the set b, there exist. ಸೊ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇದ್ರ ಪ್ರೀಮೇಜ್ ಏನು, 1. a belongs to the set b, there exist 1 belongs to the set A, 1 belongs to the set A such that f of 1 is equals to a ಅದ, right, f of 1 is equals to a. so this one generally ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬರೀತೀವಿ ನಾವು, right, for y belongs to the set b there exist x in a such that f of x is equals to y. in generally we are writing A is an element of B, there exists 1 is a pre-image that is present in the set A such that f of 1 is equals to a. ಇದ್ರ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಬಿ ಒಳಗಿರುವಂಥ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟಿಗೆ ಪ್ರೀ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು, ಆರ್ ಬಿ ಒಳಗಿರುವಂಥ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸು ಎ ಒಳಗಿರುವಂಥ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ದದು ಇಮೇಜ್ ಆಗಿರಲೇಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಆನ್ ಟು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. ಇಫ್ ದ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಆನ್ ಟು, that time we can call it as a into function. So depends on these examples you can understand which of these all onto function and which of these all into functions. Hope you are all understanding this one. I'll consider more examples on this and you will understand what is exactly one function and onto function. The next type of function is bijective function. Third type function we are learning, that is bijective function. Yes, now the third type of function is bijective function. So now we'll learn when the function is said to be bijective function. A function f from set A to set B. A function f from set A to set B is said to be bijective. If f means function, if f means function is both 1 and onto, function. If the function is both 1 and onto function, that time we can call the given function is bijective function. If the function is both injective and surjective function, that time we can call it as a bijective function. So another name nodri enada, 1 function is also called injective function, onto function also called as surjective function. If the function is both injective and surjective, that time we can call the function is bijective function. So I'll take one example, depends on that you can understand. So now I'll take now function from set A to set B. So set A is having element 1, 2, 3, 4 and set B is having element A, B, C, D, right? So now 1 is related to A, 2 related to B, 3 related to C and 4 is related to D. Now think, is it 1 and onto function? So this is all obviously 1 function because all the elements of set A are having different images in the set B. So is it onto function? Yes, this is onto function because range is equals to codomain, or all the elements of the set B are having pre-images in the set A. Therefore this is both 1 and onto function. Therefore this is bijective function. So this is an example for bijective function. So I'll take another example, that is a function from set A to set B. So I'll take now 1, 2, 3, 4 and A, B, C, D. And now 1 is related to A, 2 related to D, 3 related to B and 4 related to C. Is it 1, 1 function? Yes, this is 1, 1 function because all the elements of the set A are having different images in the set B, because 1 is having image A, 2 is having image D, 3 is having image B, 4 is having image C. Therefore, this is 1, 1 function. And is it onto function? Yes, this is onto function because all the elements of the B are having pre-images in the set A, or range is equals to codomain. Therefore, this is 1, 1 and onto function. Therefore, this function is bijective function. So, now I will take another example. So, now we will think, is it bijective function or not? So, A is having element 1, 2, 3, 4. B is having elements A, B, C. And now 1 is related to A and 2 is related to A also. 3 related to B and 4 related to C. And now think, is it bijective function or not? Now first, if the function is bijective, it should be 1, 1 and onto. It should be injective and surjective function. And I will think, is it injective function? That is 1, 1 function. So now see, 1 is having image A, 2 is also having image A. So here many elements are connected to the same image or same element. Therefore, this is not a 1, 1. This is many 1 function, right? And is it onto function? Yes, this is onto function because range is equals to codomain. If the function is both 1, 1 and onto, that time we can call it as a bijective function. So now is it bijective function? No, because this function is not 1, 1, means many 1 and onto function. This is many 1 and onto function. Therefore, this function is not bijective function. This function is not bijective. If when the function is said to be bijective, it should be 1, 1 and onto. But here the function is many 1 and onto. Therefore, this function is not bijective function. Hope you are all understanding this one. So now we'll take examples. Depends on that you can understand what is exactly 1, 1 and onto function. I will take now examples. So what they have given, show that the function f from set n to n. F is a function from set of natural number to set of natural numbers given by f of x is equals to 2x is 1, 1 function but not onto function. We have to show this function is 1, 1 function and it is not onto function. So here see, f is a function defined from set of all natural numbers to set of all natural number. F is a function from set of natural number to set of natural number and it is defined as f of x is equals to 2x. Now we have to show this is 1, 1 function. So what is 1, 1 function? The elements of the set A should have different images in the set B, or all the elements of set n should have different images in set n. It's meaning all the elements of the domain should have different images in the codomain. Okay, so now we have to show. So generally notary with arrow diagram we'll think. So here the function is defined from set of all natural number to set of all natural number, right? So set n is having element 1, 2, 3, 4, right? And here also this is having element 1, 2, 3, 4. And now if function is f of x is equals to 2x and y is equals to what here? 2x. If you substitute x is equals to 1, x equal to 1 hakri, y we are getting 2. 1 is connected to 2. And now if x equal to 2, we are getting y is 4. 2 is connected to 4, and if x is equals to 3 and we are getting y is equals to 6. Somehow here 3 is connected to 6, like that. So all the elements of the, and you can think 4 is connected to 8, 5 is connected to 10 and 6 is connected to 12 also, right? So all the elements of the domain are having different images in the codomain. Therefore, this is 1, 1 function. So I told you how to represent this one mathematically. So mathematically we have to show if f of x1 is equals to f of x2, we have to show x1 is equals to x2. So mathematically we can show this because this is defined on infinite set, right? So therefore mathematically we can show 1, 1. We can show this function is 1, 1 function. So let first consider two elements that is belongs to the domain. No, two elements tagori that is belongs to the domain now. Okay, so let x1 x2 belongs to the domain, right? Domain is what here? N only, set of natural numbers. x1 x2 belongs to the domain. We have to take f of x1 is equals to what? F of x2. F of x1 is equals to f of x2 ತಗೊಂಡು x1 is equals to x2 ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. Then that time the function is 1 1 function. So here see f of x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, f of x is 2x, right? So ಇಲ್ಲಿ f of x1 ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ wherever x is there you should substitute x as x1. So f of x1 is nothing but 2x1. f of x2 ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಾ, ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ x ಅದ ಅಲ್ಲಿ x2 ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. f of x2 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಾ 2x2, right? So f of x1 is equals to f of x2. So what is f of x1? f of x1 is 2x1. This is equal to what? 2x2, right? 2x1 is equals to 2x2 and both side 2 cancels. x1 is equals to what here? x2. So contrapositive method le ನಾವು prove ಮಾಡತ್ತೀವಿ, right? x1 is not equal to x2, that time f of x1 is not equals to f of x2. But if f of x1 equal to f of x2, meaning x1 is equals to x2, right? So this is 1 1 function. So like this mathematically we have to show f of x1 equal to f of x2, we have to show x1 is equals to x2. Therefore function f is 1 1 function. Therefore function is 1 1 function. Hope you are all understanding this. So now we'll think of onto function. So what is onto function? For any element that is belongs to codomain, y belongs to codomain, there exists x in the domain such that f of x is equals to y. ಕೋಡೊಮೇನ್ ಒಳಗಿರುವಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸಿಗೆ ಡೊಮೇನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಪ್ರೀ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕಾಲ್ ದ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಆನ್ ಟು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. ಸೊ ಬೈ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆರೋ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಯು ಸಿ 1 ಈಸ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಟು 2 ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಟು 4 ಅದ, 3 ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಟು 6 ಅದ. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ನೋಡ್ರಿ 1ಗೆ ಪ್ರೀ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, 3ಗೆ ಪ್ರೀ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, 5ಗೆ ಪ್ರೀ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, ದೆನ್ 7ಗೆ ಪ್ರೀ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಡ್ ನಂಬರಿಗೆ ಪ್ರೀ ಇಮೇಜಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ call not onto, right? Because ಇಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸಿಗೆ ಪ್ರೀ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅದು ಆನ್ ಟು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸಿಗೂ ಪ್ರೀ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಆನ್ ಟು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. ಸೊ ಹೌ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಮೆಥಮೆಟಿಕಲಿ? As for 1, ಈ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ತಗೋತೀನಿ, ರೈಟ್? 1 belongs to n, that is what here? codomain. There does not exist x, okay? For y ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾ 1 ತಗೊಳತ್ತೀನಿ, ಓಕೆ? ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ y ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಜನರಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೀರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಬರೆದ್ರು ನಡೀತದ. As for 1 belong to n, y belongs to n, that is element in codomain, there does not exist x, okay? ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೀ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. x in n, where it is in domain. There does not exist x in domain, okay? Such that f of x, that is what here? 2x, that is equals to 1, right? So f of x equal to 1 ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ, means 1ಗೆ ಯಾವುದು ಇಮೇಜ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, ದಿಸ್ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ f of x is equals to 2x, that is 1, means 2x equal to 1 means x is equal to 1/2. 1/2 ಅನ್ನೋ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಒಳಗಿಲ್ಲ. 1 ಈಸ್ ಇಮೇಜ್, 1ದ ಪ್ರೀ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಾ ಅದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಇಫ್ f of x is equal to y ತಗೋರಿ, f of x is equal to y. f of x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು? f of x is 2x, okay? So we have to find x value. ಈಗ ನೀವು x ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ x ಒಳಗೆ ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತಾ? x is equal to y/2 ಬರುತ್ತಾ. If y/2 is it belongs to natural number? No, obviously this is not belongs to natural number. ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಇರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು y ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ 1 ತಗೊಂಡೀನಿ, 1, ಓಕೆ? ನಾ ಏನು ತೋರ್ಸಾತೀನಿ? 1ಗೆ ಪ್ರೀ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ತೋರ್ಸಾತೀನಿ, ರೈಟ್? Or else we can write in general ಆಗಿನೂ ಬರೀಬೋದು. So how to write? As for y belongs to n, right? y belongs to n, there does not exist x in x such that f of x is equals to 2x, that is y is equals to 2x, therefore x is equals to y by 2 is not belongs to n, therefore this function is not onto function. Okay, 1 ka pre-image exist agilla, therefore this function is not onto function, therefore f is not onto. F is not onto function. If f is not onto, its meaning it is into function. Function is 1 1, but the function is not onto. Therefore, the given function is 1 1 function, but not onto function. Hope you are all understanding this one. The next example is, prove that the function f is a function from set of all real number to real number. Right? Now it's a function from set of all real number to set of all real number. So what is real number? Real number is having including natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rationals, irrationals. Okay, so real number ಒಳಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ numbers ಬರ್ತಾವ, but not complex numbers. Complex numbers ಒಂದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು all the types of numbers are comes under real number. Real number is having all the numbers. So now the function is defined from set of all real numbers to set of all real number. This is given as f of x is equals to 2x. We have to show the given function is 1 1 function and onto function, right? So now first we'll think of its 1 1 function. 1 1 is f is a function from R to R, and how it is defined? It is given by, the function is given by f of x is equals to 2x, right? So now we have to think this function is 1 1 or not. So what is 1 1 function? Ella elements, for all the elements which are present in the domain, they should have different images in the codomain. ಈ ಡೊಮೇನ್ ಒಳಗಿರುವಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸಿಗೂ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಇಮೇಜಸ್ ಕೋಡೊಮೇನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಅವಾಗ ನಾವು ಅಷ್ಟು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? 1 1 ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ನಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ನಾವು arrow diagram ಮೆಥಡ್ಲೇನ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ವಿಲ್ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಆಫ್ arrow diagram. So the function is from set of all real number to set of all real number. I told you this is having all types of numbers. So I'll take -4, -3, -2, -1, -1.1, 1.5 also togori, right? -1.5 also we can take, -1 also we can take, and then 0, 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, anything you can take. This is having all types of numbers. So main elements ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬರೆಯಕತ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Okay, here also this is -4, -2, -3, -2, -1.5, and then -1, 0, 1, 1.5, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so you can take any elements from set of real numbers to set of real numbers. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ನಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದಷ್ಟು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ಫೈನೈಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ 1 to 1.5. 1 ಮತ್ತು 1.5 ನಡುಬರ್ಕ ಇನ್ಫೈನೈಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವ, ರೈಟ್? 1 ಮತ್ತು 1.5 ನಡುವ ಇನ್ಫೈನೈಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವ, ಬಟ್ ಐ ಕಾಂಟ್ ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ದೋಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಆನ್ ದಿ arrow diagram. So this is just for verification purpose, right? So now what is the function here? F of x is equals to 2x, that is y. F of x is nothing but y. Y is equals to 2x. So now put x as 1, we are getting y as 2. Okay, so 1 is related to 2, and if you put x is 2, y is 4, 2 is related to 4. If you put x as -1, y will come -2, x is -1, y is -2, x is -2, y is -4. If x is -1.5, then y is -3, right? So x is -1.5, y is -3, and if x is 1.5, then y is 3. Okay, so for all the elements, so nodri 0 hakri. If x is 0, y is 0, right? -3 hakri, you can get -6 in the codomain. If you put -4, you can get -8 in the codomain. If you put 3, you can get 6 in the codomain. If you put 4, you can get 8 in the codomain. So therefore this is 1 1 function. For all the elements of the domain are having different images in the codomain. So this is defined on the infinite set, therefore we'll write mathematically. So how to write? Let x1 x2 ಎರಡು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ತಗೋರಿ, ಅವು ಡೊಮೇನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಇರಬೇಕು. Let x1 x2 that is belongs to the domain, that is domain is also a real number, codomain is also a set of real numbers. x1 x2 belongs to the real number. We can take f of x1 is equals to f of x2. F of x1 is equals to f of x2. So what is f of x1? F of x1 is 2x1. F of x1 is 2x1, and this is 2x2, right? So 2x1 is equals to 2x2. So this gives x1 is equal to x2. So 2 cancels here. So therefore f of x1 equal to f of x2, we have shown f x1 is equals to x2. Therefore f is 1 function. F is 1 function. Okay, so next we'll think of its onto function. So what is onto function? If for all the elements of the codomain there exist pre-images in the domain, so that time we can call the function is onto function. So first we'll think ಇಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸಿಗೂ ಪ್ರೀ ಇಮೇಜಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದಾವೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ -4ಗೆ ಪ್ರೀ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗೈತಿ, -3ಗೂ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, -2ಗೂ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು ವೈ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್? ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ 2x ಹಿಯರ್. 2x ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಏನು? y ಅದ. x ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತಾ? y/2 ಬರುತ್ತಾ, ರೈಟಾ? ಸೊ ಪ್ರೀ ಇಮೇಜನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಇಮೇಜ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಮೇಜ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ -4, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ -4. ಸೊ -4/2 ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ -2. ಸೊ x is -2, x -2, y is -4, -3. Substitute -3 here, -3/2, -1.5, -3ಗೂ ಪ್ರೀ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ -2ಗೂ ಪ್ರೀ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಯಿತು. -2/2 that is -1 that is there. -1.5 ನೋಡ್ರಿ, x is equals to, now I'll put y as -1.5. So I can get here x value -7.5. So this is also belongs to real number 7.5. The pre-image exists here, right? -1.5 ಗೂ pre-image ada and -1 ಗೂ pre-image ada. What is the -1 pre-image is -0.5. -1.5 pre-image is -0.75 and -1 pre-image is -0.5. So 1 ಗೂ pre-image exist ಆಯಿತು, 0 ಗೂ pre-image exist ಅದ 0 and 1.5 ಗೂ pre-image exist ಅದ, that is 0.75. 2 ಗೂ pre-image exist ಅದ. For all the elements which there exist pre-image in the domain, therefore this is onto function. So there exists a pre-image in the domain, therefore this is onto function. So now we'll write this one in generally. Let y belongs to r. Okay, general ಆಗಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Let y belongs to r. So if it is true for each and every element, ಇದು ಯಾವುದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟಿಗೂ ಟ್ರೂ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು we can take all in generally we can take and we'll write this is onto function. If it is not onto function, ಇಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟಿಗೆ ಪ್ರೀ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸ್ರಿ, that time we can call that function as not onto function, right na? So now here range is equals to codomain, therefore the function is onto function. So now let y belongs to r. This is where codomain ಒಳಗಿರುವಂಥ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟು. Okay, this is arbitrary element, arbitrary. Let y belongs to r be any arbitrary. There exist, let y belongs to r, there exist x in r. Where it is r is what here? Domain. There exists x in r domain. How to find x here? F of x is equals to y, and we can write f of x is equals to y. What is f of x? F of x is 2x. 2x is equals to y. Therefore x is equals to ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? y/2. That is belongs to the real number, right? Y belongs to the codomain. There exists x, that is y/2 belongs to the real number, that is belongs to the domain, such that f of x this is equals to y, such that f of x is equals to y. Therefore f is onto function. Therefore now we have proved f is 1 function and f is onto function. So can we call it as a bijective function? Yes, this function is bijective function because this is both 1 and onto function, right na? So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, hope you are understand this step. ನೋಡ್ರಿ 1 onto ಹೆಂಗೆ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ y belongs to r be any arbitrary element. There exists x in the real number, there exists x in the domain. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಇಮೇಜಿಗೆ ಪ್ರೀ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಯಿತು, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಕೋಡೊಮೈನ್, ದೇರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೀ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಡೊಮೈನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು ವೈ. ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ವೈ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ನಂಗೆ ಪ್ರೀ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಪ್ರೀ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್? y/2, ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು ಆರ್. ಓಕೆ ಸೊ ಇನ್ ಜನರಲಿ ನೀವು ಯಾವುದು ತಗೋರಿ y 1 ತಗೋರಿ 1/2 is its pre-image, 2 ತಗೋರಿ 2/2 that is 1 is its pre-image, 3 ತಗೋರಿ 3/2 is its pre-image, 3 the pre-image 3/2 that is 1.5, that is also belongs to real number such that f of x is equals to y, therefore this function is onto function. So hope you are all understanding this one. So I'll take next example. Show that the function f is a function from set of natural number to set of natural number given by f of 1 equals to f of 2 that is equals to 1, right? And f of x is defined, the function is defined as x minus 1 for every x greater than 2. So for every x greater than 2 ka function in define aitu f of x is equals to x minus 1. So this function is defined when x should be greater than 2. And this we have to show, this function we have to show this is onto function but not 1 function. So illa nodri question nodidre namaga gottagtiti this is not onto function because illa nodri 1 ಮತ್ತು 2 ka ಒಂದೇ image ada, right? So what is the definition of 1 function? For all the elements of the domain should have different images in the codomain, but here 1 and 2 are having same image, therefore this is not 1 function. So now what they have given, f is a function from n to n and then they have given it is given by f of 1 is equals to f of 2, they are both are equal to what 1, okay? And again this function is defined f of x is equals to x minus 1 for every x greater than 2, right? ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ 1 ಮತ್ತು 2 ಕ ಸೇಮ್ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಅದ, ರೈಟ್? 1 ಮತ್ತು 2 ಸೇಮ್ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಅದ, ದೇರ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ 1 ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. ಸೊ ನಾವು ವಿಲ್ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಆಫ್ 1-1-ness, ರೈಟ್? ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್ f of 1 equal to f of 2, right? For 2 different elements which are present in the domain, f of 1 equal to f of 2 other, but we can get 1 is not equal to 2. ಹೌದಿಲ್ಲ? f of 1 equal to f of 2 other, but 1 is not equal to 2. For 2 different element we are having same image, right? For 2 different element we are having same image, therefore this is not 1-1. f is not 1-1. If it is not 1-1 we can call it as many 1, right? This is not 1-1 function. Means arrow diagram le nodbekandre you can see like this. F is a function from set of natural numbers to set of natural number, and here this is having element 1 2 3 4 up to infinity, and here also 1 2 3 4 up to infinity, and the function is defined from set of natural numbers to set of natural numbers. See here, so 1 is having image 1 and f of 2 is also 1, 2 is having image 1, right? Now if 2 elements are having same image, therefore this is not 1-1. This is called many 1. Many elements are related to the same image or same element, therefore this is not 1-1 function. And now we'll think of its onto. Is it onto or not? They told to show this is not 1-1 but it is onto. ಈ function onto itanta show ಮಾಡಿದಾರ. Big onto means what here? Indirectly we have to show range is equals to codomain, or for all the elements of the codomain there should be a pre-image. ಇಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸಿಗೂ pre-image exist ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು, ರೈಟಾ? ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಏನು ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಆಗೈತಿ, f of x is equal to x minus 1. f of x is means what? y is equals to x minus 1. So when this function is whole square, the condition for the function is x should be greater than 2 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಾರ. x should be greater than 2, right na? So now why they have given x greater than 2? ಇಲ್ಲಿ already mention ಮಾಡಾರ ಅವರು 1. For 1 and 2 they have given image, right? And now I'll start with x equal to 3. If x equal to 3, y ಏನು ಬರ್ತಿತ್ತು ನೋಡ್ರಿ? y 3 minus 1 that is coming 2, right? 3 is having image 2, and if you put x is equal to 4 minus 1 madri, y we are getting 3. Now 4 is having 3, 4 is having image 3, 5 is having image 4, 6 is having image 5, 7 is having image 6, like that. For all the elements of the codomain we are having its pre-image, right? So illiruvanta ella elements igu pre-image exist agutta, so therefore this function is onto function. So how to write? Int y belongs to natural number, y belongs to codomain, okay? So this is image, randomly chosen one image. Let y belongs to codomain, y belong to n. This is present in the codomain, that is arbitrary element, okay? Arbitrary element. There exist there exist x in n, that is there exists x in the domain. Here domain is also natural number, codomain is also natural number. X in the domain and f of x is equal to y ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಪ್ರೀ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಪ್ರೀ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಡೊಮೈನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಬೇಕು. ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು ವೈ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು ವೈ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್? ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಆಸ್ x minus 1. X minus 1, this is equal to y. So if x minus 1 is y, we can get x is equal to what here? Y plus 1. X is equal to y plus 1. This is obviously belongs to natural number. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ y natural number ಅದ. ಯಾವುದು natural number ಗೆ 1 add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು obviously natural number ಒಳಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, right? So y plus 1, y is any natural number. X is also belongs to the natural number such that f of x is equal to y. Okay, such that f of x ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಸಿಕ್ತು? y ಸಿಕ್ತು. ನೋಡ್ರಿ f of x is equals to y ಐತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಇದನ್ನ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿನೂ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು, or else you can write this much, this is okay. Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ f of x is equal to y ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So what is f of x here? What is f of x? f of x is x minus 1. So what is x here? x ಏನದ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲೇ y plus 1. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ರಿ y plus 1. f of y plus 1. So this comes x is what here? Y plus 1, because x we have got y plus 1. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ y plus 1 minus 1. So ನೋಡ್ರಿ 1 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರ್ತೈತಿ? y. f of y plus 1 that is equal to y. Its meaning f of y plus 1. y plus 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? x. We have shown f of x is equal to y. For each and every element of the codomain there exists a pre-image. ಇದರ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ codomain ಒಳಗಿರುವಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸಿಗೂ ಡೊಮೇನ್ ಒಳಗೆ pre-image exist ಆಯಿತು. f of x is equal to y. So therefore this function is onto function. ಓಕೆ, ಮಾಡೋದೇನು ಹೆಸರು ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನೋಡ್ಕೊರಿ. ಓಕೆ, for f is onto function. f is onto. f is not 1 but f is onto. And now it's time to try to do it yourself question, and try to do it yourself and send me the answer through WhatsApp. And see what is the question here. Show that the function f from set of all natural number to set of all natural number, the function is defined by f of x is equals to 3x is 1 function. This is 1 function but not onto function. So what we have to show here? 1 function anta show ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. How to show? For all the elements in the domain are having different images in the codomain. So you have to show taking f of x1 equal to f of x2, you show x1 is equals to x2. Therefore that time we can get the function is 1 function. So this is not onto. So you can take generally, let y belong to n be any arbitrary element in the codomain, there does not exist any pre-image in domain, or else ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೋಡೊಮೇನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ತಗೋರಿ, ಆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟಿಗೆ pre-image ಡೊಮೇನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, then that time we can get the function is not onto. Okay, hope you are all doing this one. With this I will end my today's class. Thank you.